Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll walk you through how to export WooCommerce orders to Excel using the WP Ultimate CSV Importer Pro plugin. Let's get started. Step 1. Navigate to Export tab. Once you've installed and activated the plugin, head over to the left menu and click on Ultimate CSV Importer Pro. From the top navigation, choose the Export tab. This is where you can export data from your WordPress or WooCommerce site into a structured file. Step 2. Choose your module. Here, you'll see a list of available modules. Scroll down and select WooCommerce Orders. Once selected, the plugin will fetch the available order records from your site. Click Continue to move to the next step. Step 3. Configure export options. Now, you'll enter the export configuration screen. Start by giving your export file a name. This helps in organizing and identifying your exported files later. Next, choose your preferred file format. Options include CSV, XLS, XLSX, XML, JSON, and TSV. Here, we're going with XLSX to generate a Microsoft Excel compatible file. Step 4. Advanced Export Filters. Under Advanced Filters, you have multiple options to customize your export. Filter data by date range. Export orders for specific products. Filter by payment method. Choose order statuses like completed, processing, or pending. And even schedule exports or enable Google Sheets sync. Configure the filters as per your requirement. These options help refine your export so you get exactly what you need. Step 5. Export the data. Once all options are set, you can either click Preview to review the data before exporting. Or directly click Export to start the process. Step 6. Download the file. You'll see the export progress, and once it reaches 100%, you'll get the download button. Click it to save your WooCommerce orders data to your system in Excel format. It's that easy. For more tutorials and plugin walkthroughs, don't forget to subscribe and check out our full documentation linked below. Thanks for watching.